Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, I'm Jessica, and I'm so grateful that you guys clicked on this video because I'm going to show you today the unboxing of the FabFitFun 2019 summer box. So let's get started and open this bad boy up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try not to cut myself. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Let's see what's inside. A bunch of paper. So the box is beautiful. It is decorated so beautifully for summer. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so the FabFitFun box comes with a little magazine with Eva Longoria on it. And inside this magazine just shows all the products that you've received inside your box, how other influencers used it, how the partners used it, and just a lot of girl gossip. The next item in this FabFitFun box is a HelloFresh gift card, and it is an $80 gift card, $20 off your first 4 deliveries, plus free shipping, and then it gives me a code. It looks like we got a bunch of goodies in this box. So here we have a mini travel size blow dryer, and this is by Sutra Beauty, and it's marble, which I love. So let's go ahead and open that. Oh, we also have a 25% off coupon code here. It shows us how to use the blow dryer. And look at this, guys. It is a marble mini blow dryer. Look how cute. Put that on. That is cool. I'm so excited to use this, especially taking it out on a trip. And this retailed for $60. The next item I have here is this West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls. Okay. Oh my gosh, they wrap it so cute too. So it comes in bubble wrap, so it's protected and it doesn't break. And then they have it really cutely tied. There's one cute little bowl. And here's another. And another. So these are adorable. They come in 3 different sizes. So these West Elm bowls were $39.99 retail value. And the next item I'm going to be showing you guys today is this Wish exfoliating foot mask. Now it smooths and softens, intense hydration. Directions, it says use directly at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Not sure if you can see that. It almost smells like, I wanna say caramel corn. And that retailed for $22. The next item here is this Spray All Day Rose Spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. Directions, mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply as needed throughout the day. And I've always heard great things about rose spray and rose water, but I've never owned it myself. So this is pretty cool that I get to have one myself here, and this is by Grace and Stella. And this retails, guys, for $25.95. Here, let's open it up and smell it. This could be exciting. And look how big this is. So let's go ahead and spray this Spray All Day Rose Spray. This next item I'm going to be showing you is by Dr. Rogers, and this is the Restore Healing Balm, and this is what it looks like. It's for chapped lips, cuts, burns, severe dry sensitive skin, post-procedure skin care and beauty hacks. And baby ointment, it says, so that I guess you can try it on your baby. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, it just smells plain, almost like plastic or like wax. Okay, but it is very oily, very greasy, so I can see how it could help with chapped lips or burns. You guys can see how shiny that is. Okay, but it's definitely like an ointment, especially for babies. And the next item I'm going to be showing you is this Burn 3 Resistant Band. So there's 3 different bands here. And this retails, guys, for $34. The next item that I've received, it's by Invisibobble, and it is a traceless hair ring. And these retail, guys, for $16. It says here, it provides a strong grip, yet leaves your hair traceless. So let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, it comes with 6 rubber bands. That's pretty cool. I've always seen these, but I've always seen the bigger ones, and I didn't think it would work for my hair because I have short hair. So now that these are smaller, I'm gonna have to figure out how to really use these. But those are cute. So they come in 3 clear ones and then 3 like tan beige looking ones. The next item here that I have is by Living Proof. It's a nourishing styling cream, and it retails for $28. So what it is, it's a styling cream that soothes, conditions, and blocks humidity without weighing hair down. So I'm pretty excited to use this because my hair always frizzes. Like the moment I go outside, this top here is like woof, and it just, my hair is ruined. Directions, it says to apply generously to clean, damp hair from roots to ends. And let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells like flowers. Yeah, it smells like fresh flowers. Really, really nice. All right, guys, this next item I'm gonna be showing you is by 111 Skin. I believe that's how you say it. And if I'm wrong, please comment down below and tell me how you really say it. It comes with 5 rose gold brightening facial treatment masks. And the retail value of this is $160. So if you go on this website right now, this will cost you $160. Okay, so this 24 karat rose gold mask actually soothes and brightens your face. I got my box worth with just this one item, and I'm pretty excited to try it out because I heard really great things about it. Now, a lot of celebrities actually use those before they apply like their red carpet makeup. They usually do that mask and then they go ahead and apply the makeup. The last item I actually have received here is this Generation Clay Mask by Ultraviolet, and it's a brightening purple clay mask. So this is what it looks like. And this here, guys, retails for $39. And what it does, it is a plum purple mask, works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So I'm excited to use this because I have very oily skin up here, but very dry skin in all these cracks here. So I'm excited to try out this mask. And let's see how purple this mask really is. Oh yeah, it's definitely purple. And that's what it looks like. And it's a very thick mask, so I'm excited to try this out. I really like when the masks are thick like that and you don't have to put too much of it on. You can probably just put a really light. And that was it. Ooh. It almost smells like rose, but it has like this lavender smell as well. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to receive your own FabFitFun box, just go down in my description bar and I will have a promo code for $10 off, so you can receive this exact box for only $39.99 if you just click on the promo code down below and go to FabFitFun.com. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.